Can I eat a full day of easy meals for around 1,000 calories? Let's see what's on my plate today. For breakfast, I make toast with peanut butter and strawberries. I spread the peanut butter on the toast, add the strawberries, and serve it with yogurt. For lunch, I make a quick tuna salad. I chop the vegetables, add the tuna and corn, and season with olive oil, lemon juice, and salt. I serve it with a slice of bread. Afternoon, snack. Orange plus cashews, approximately 170 kilocalories. Dinner, cottage cheese, avocado, and crackers. Arrange everything on a plate and dinner is ready. Calories, approximately 160 kilocalories. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipe ideas. Thank you for watching.